What's up, world? It's your girl, Proud Libra, and today I'm here with my two youngest daughters and my girl, Nick, and we're going to get into this video by Heritage Foundation. You should go over and check out their page, too. They have a lot of informative videos. This one in particular is talking about adding a lot of gay books and learning about homosexuality into the school, starting in what, kindergarten, pre-K, something like that?
Kindergarten.
Yeah. So I just want y'all to take a look at this video, and we'll be back with the rest of our commentary. Please give your input in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so that you can be notified of all of our future videos. It only takes like less than 1.2 seconds to hit all three. Come on. Show some love. Y'all ready? Let's get into the video. Hit play.
Studies require teaching that Francis Bacon and Emily Dickinson were gay. And now, New Jersey, Illinois, Colorado, California, Washington, and the District of Columbia have ordered that schools teach sexual orientation and gender in numerous classes. An upset New Jersey mother recently told the media, "When you teach about George Washington, you don't teach that George Washington had sex with his wife. We teach what George Washington did as a president." In Rockland County, California, a kindergarten teacher read a book called I Am Jazz to her students, an autobiographical picture book about a transgender child. One line in the book reads, "I have a girl brain, but a boy body." A parent reported to CBS News that after hearing the book, her child came home crying, confused and afraid that they could turn into the opposite sex without knowing it. Many parents, including some with kids who identify as transgender, don't want schools deciding what and when their children are taught about sexuality.
Yes.
But those that are speaking out against this new curriculum are being called bigots by LGBT activists. What these activists aren't teaching students and parents are the facts about the irreversible path of gender transition. Jazz Jennings, the owner of I Am Jazz, started taking puberty blockers at age 11. Eventually, he took cross-sex hormones and underwent a painful gender confirmation surgery due to complications. Students won't be told that hormones can lead to impaired cognitive ability, greater risk of cancer, and sterility. And 80 to 95% of gender dysphoric children who go through puberty eventually become comfortable with their natural bodies. Parents in 10 other states have succeeded in putting limits on this curriculum. But the Equality Act, proposed by liberals in Congress, would erase those protections. Children are loved, nurtured, and raised by their parents, not the state. Congress should not be misled. Treating students and their parents with dignity and respect means allowing them to learn and live according to their own beliefs about sexual matters. Codifying LGBT ideology into a civil right would take away fundamental freedoms from those who don't conform. That's not equality. It's injustice.
You stopped the video?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So now let me ask y'all something. Being that y'all 10 and 11, how would y'all feel if your school made you read books about gay people?
I would feel confused, cause my school, their kids there is kindergarten and pre-K, and I don't think the people in elementary in my school don't deserve to read those kinds. Only in the schools that's higher, and
That was what you was gonna say, Dottie. That's exactly, that's what you said the last time we recorded.
But I took her answer. So,
Okay.
yeah, that's what I think, and I think pre-K and kindergarten in my school should not be reading those because it's too inappropriate.
Inappropriate. Shut up laughing at her. Alright, so what you think, Giggles?
She stole my answer. Oh, God.
What else do you think? You the one that came up with the answer, so what else you think about it?
Well, since I'm 11, I'm going to the 6th grade. I think that for my school and high school and college, of course college, we should start reading that. But in elementary, no.
What you think, Nick?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you. And tell them to hit the like button.
Don't forget to give us a love it by hitting the like button.
I think that, I feel like that's just a little bit too much. You know, you starting in pre-K, kindergarten. I mean,
what's next?
Exactly. Like, I feel like, if anything, teach everybody how to show love for their fellow human being, regardless of their sexuality. Like, start there before you just start forcing them to read books and stuff like that about it. Because, I mean, and you know what I'm curious about? What about the Christian schools and the Catholic schools and stuff like that?
Sure.
Are they going to be forced to have to read these books too? I want to know. Shit. If somebody know, please tell us. You know, a lot of people going, what you said before, they're going to be pulling their kids out of school and homeschooling them. Because I'm looking into that too. I'm like, listen, how you going to tell somebody when to teach their children about stuff like that? No. And then wasn't that little girl on there, like 8 years old, that they said, 7, 8 years old, that said he was in the wrong body? Give these kids a chance to grow up. Like, do y'all feel like y'all are trapped in the wrong body, being that y'all are little girls? Do y'all feel like y'all are born little girls, but y'all should have been little boys? So do you feel like a little boy inside?
Actually, I don't.
What about you, Haven?
No.
Why she a liar? What? Because she dressed like a tomboy? Huh? You ain't dating nobody at 10 years old. Yeah, when you 30 is right, little shit. You ain't dating okay, 28 then. You ain't dating nobody at no 10 years old. Okay, but do y'all ever feel like that? Or do y'all know anybody that feels like that, that's going to y'all school, that feels like they were born in the wrong body?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
What grade are they in? How old are they?
One of the 10, and then grade 4, but then 1 to 5.
What they say to you? Like, how do you know they was born in the wrong body? Don't say nobody's name.
Because he told me that he don't feel like he don't want to. He told me he don't feel like being a boy. He feel like being a girl.
Why?
And then I could tell, like every time he's around, he's always. I'm gonna skip that part. He's always like walking like a girl, and he's always talking like one. He's always saying he wants to be a girl one day.
And he's 10?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's the only child in your school?
Yeah.
That you know? Okay.
Well, I know Haven told me one time that there was a girl and
and a girl.
She was a lesbian.
But there was a girl. She was a lesbian, but she didn't want to be a boy though.
She just like girls?
Yeah.
How old was she?
Like
Probably 10 or 11.
Yeah. She was like 11.
Everybody, like, please get in the comment section. Fill that comment section up, because I would love to hear everybody's thoughts on, you know, their kids having to read information about homosexuality. I mean, I don't think anything is wrong with them having to read it. I don't think that is, huh?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think nothing's wrong with them having to read it. It being forced is
different.
Yeah, that sounds like slavery. And especially like pre-K and kindergarten, I agree with my kids. Wait till they like in high school.
In middle school.
Or upper middle school, like 8th grade or something, to want to introduce that. And I still think that's something that you should ask the parents permission for.
Yes.
Because remember back in the day, like, we would have to go to the nurse's office, and they would have to get permission from our parents to talk to us, you know, and then that's when they'll explain the birds and the bees in detail and hand out birth control, but they even had to get permission from our parents to do that. I think that's what should be put in place. Because I don't
force, yeah.
Yeah, because I don't think it's nothing wrong reading about it, because of the fact that, you know, a lot of people are gay. Some people are like, you know, what she said about her friend, she's just a lesbian. Like, she just likes girls. But then what about the little boy? People like the little boy that feels like they trapped in the, in the wrong body. So, I mean, at the end of the day, you hate the sin. You don't hate the person. You pray for that person. But we do have to understand the minds of different people. You know what I'm saying? Gay, straight, upside down, rectangle, it don't matter. Like, we have to understand and give humanity and love and genuineness to people regardless of their sexuality. What the hell are y'all pointing at?
We're pointing at the morning time.
The what?
It's morning time and I'm happy.
Yeah, because we was up all night doing this.
How?
Guys, let's try to get this video to 1,000 likes and support some love.
Support some love.
Yeah.
What you mean? Shut up, Nicole. She ready to bust out laughing. Nick, why you ain't saying nothing? Like, how do you feel about this? Like, if your child,
If you had a child.
yeah, how would you feel if your child had to read this in school?
And it's dependent on the age.
Like, okay, let's just say kindergarten, first grade, something
I
like that.
definitely will pull my child out of school and school with love and care at home.
It's getting funny. I'm funny.
Okay.
Okay, we're about to end this video so I could plug my daughter's butt with my foot, being she's on camera passing gas. All right, y'all. So make sure y'all hit that
You
like
sort
button.
of too fast and gas on camera.
And make sure to never.
At least they heard
Make sure to never make sure to not forget to subscribe.
Yes, in a minute I'm about to post my Cash App info so y'all can send me some bail money. Hit the daggone stop button on the video. All right, guys. Thank you. Love you. Hit the stop button.